It's really a challenging task to remember lots of functions and formulas in Excel. Many times we totally forget which formulas to use and which not to. In that case, today's video will be really very helpful. In today's video, we will see the use of AI in Excel. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Monk. Let's start the video without any delays. Let's start with our very first example. Over here we have got sales, and in the extreme right hand side I want total sales. So before going to ChatGPT, I'll write my prompt over here. I'll take this closer. We'll select couple of cells. We'll go to home and we'll merge this. Now we will write our prompt over here. And this is my prompt. I want my total sales from January to April. Sales of January are starting from D5 and sales of April are starting from G5. I want my formula in H5, and in the end I have written provide Excel formula. Now I'll copy this, Ctrl C or Command C, and will open my ChatGPT. I have opened my ChatGPT. Now I'll click on try ChatGPT and will paste my prompt over here, Ctrl V or Command V. I'll come down and will click on up arrow key. And ChatGPT has provided us the formula. This is the formula, sum bracket open, and our range is from D5 to G5. I'll copy this. Over here we get the option of copy. I'll just click over here, copy. Now I'll go to my Excel file, we'll go to formula bar and we'll paste my formula, Ctrl V or Command V. We'll come to left hand side and just check our range. It has taken from January to April. Now I'll hit enter and we got our total. We will drag this down. Let's move to next example. I want to create drop down. This is my list. I'll type my prompt over here and my prompt is I have got my list in column C. This is column C starting from C5 to C14. Name of the first product is in C5 and name of the last product is in C14. After that I have written I have to create drop down list in D5, means over here. Please guide. Let's go to ChatGPT and I'll paste my prompt over here, Ctrl V or Command V. We'll come down and we'll click on up arrow key. And ChatGPT has provided us the formula. And the formula is basically the range. So I'll copy this. On the top we can see the steps. We will follow the steps of ChatGPT, and to do that we will go in our Excel. First step is select cell D5. So I have clicked on D5. Go to data tab. I'll go to data tab on top. Click on data validation found in data tools group. So this is my data tools. I'll click over here and we'll go to data validation. We'll take this to left. In the data validation dialog box, under the settings tab, choose list. This is settings tab. I'll click over here and we'll select list. In the source field, enter, and ChatGPT is asking me to enter this formula. So I'll copy this. We'll come to my Excel file and we'll paste the formula in source, Ctrl V or Command V. Click OK. So I'll click on OK. Let's come down. Now ChatGPT is saying that D5 will have a drop down list with values from C5 to C14. Let's go to Excel and over here we have got our drop down list. We will drag this down and in all the cells we can see the drop downs. Let's see our next example. Replace. Over here we have got employee names and in the end of most of the employees we can see Monk, but in the end of some employees we can see Sent, and we want to replace Sent with Monk. We want formula over here, so we will create our prompt in the beginning. This is my prompt. Employee names are in column B. This is column B. So employee names are in column B starting from B5. My first employee name is in B5. At the end of all names, there should be Monk. But in some names, there are Sent. Replace Sent with Monk. I want to insert formula in C5. So I want to insert my formula over here. This is my first cell, C5. Please provide Excel formula. So I'll copy my prompt. Ctrl C or Command C. We'll go to ChatGPT and we'll paste my prompt over here. Ctrl V or Command V. We'll click on up arrow key, and ChatGPT suggested us to use substitute. This is our formula. We'll copy this. We'll click over here, and my formula got copied. Now I'll go to my Excel file and we'll paste my formula. We'll go to formula bar and we'll paste it. Control V or Command V. Now I'll hit enter. We'll drag this down, and the word sent got replaced with the word monk. Let's see our next example. If over here we have got four criterias. If the marks will be above or equal to 45, the candidate is pass. If the marks will be below 45, candidate is fail. If the attendance will be above or equal to 50%, candidate is pass. And if the attendance will be below 50%, candidate is fail. And we have to insert our formula over here. Let's make some space for our prompt. So my prompt is, total marks are in column D. This is column D. Starting from D3. First marks is in D3. Total attendance percent is in column E. This is column E. Starting from E3. This is the first attendance percent. Criterias are, these are our criterias. So I have mentioned all the criterias over here. I want formula in F3. This is my first cell where I want my formula. Provide Excel formula. So this is my prompt. I'll copy my prompt. Control C or Command C. We'll go to ChatGPT and we'll paste my prompt over here. Control V or Command V. We'll come down and we'll click on up arrow key. And ChatGPT has provided us the formula. And this formula is including if along with and. These are the instructions and explanations. I'll copy my formula from here. Copy. We'll go to my Excel file. We'll go to formula bar and we'll paste my formula. Control V or Command V. And we'll hit enter. We got fail for the first candidate. Let's go to formula bar and cross check our formula. We'll click on my formula. Our attendance is in percent and Excel haven't provided us percent. So I'll add percent just after 50 and we'll hit enter. Now I'll drag this down. So the candidates whose marks are above or equal to 45 and attendance is above or equal to 50, they are pass. Few candidates are fail over here. Let's see our next example. Over here we have got dates, and just against my dates, I want formula of day and month. I'll put my prompt over here, and my prompt is, my dates are in column C. This is column C. Starting from C5. This is C5. I want days in column D, starting from D5, and I want month's name in column E, starting from E5. Provide Excel formula. So this is my prompt. I'll copy my prompt from here. Control C or Command C. We'll go to ChatGPT and we'll paste my prompt over here. Control V or Command V. We'll click on up arrow key, and ChatGPT has provided us two formulas. One for day and the other is for month. I'll copy the formula for day. We'll go to my Excel file. We'll go to formula bar and we'll paste my formula. Control V or Command V and we'll hit enter. We got our first day as Monday. We'll drag this down. We'll go to ChatGPT once again. We'll come down and we'll copy the formula for month. We'll click over here. Formula got copied. Now I'll click just in front of day. We'll go to formula bar and we'll paste my formula. Control V or Command V and we'll hit enter. We got January. Now I'll drag this down. So we got our days as well as month against our dates. Let's see our next example. VLOOKUP. Through ChatGPT, we will generate the formula of VLOOKUP. Let's create our prompt over here. So this is my prompt. My holidays list are in settings. I have got a sheet by the name of settings. And all my holidays are here. Means I have got my holidays list over here. In column B, I have got my dates. And in column C, I have got my holidays name. Dates are starting from B4 and name of the holidays are starting from C4. Let's go to our file and my prompt is, my holidays list is in settings. Dates are in column B starting from B4. Name of holidays are in column C starting from C4. I have to apply VLOOKUP in different sheet by the name of VLOOKUP. I'll rename this sheet as VLOOKUP. In VLOOKUP sheet, dates are in column C. This is column C, starting from C5. Our very first date is in C5. I have to apply the formula in column E. This is column E, starting from E5. This is E5, where I have to apply my first formula. Provide Excel formula. I'll copy my prompt, Control C or Command C. We'll click over here. Now I'll go to ChatGPT and will paste my prompt over here, Control V or Command V. We'll come down and we'll click on up arrow key. And ChatGPT has generated the steps along with explanation. I haven't asked ChatGPT about if error, but then also it added if error automatically. Let's copy our formula from here. We'll go to my Excel file. We'll go to formula bar and we'll paste my formula, Control V or Command V, and we'll hit enter. We got our first holiday as New Year. We'll drag this down. On 14th, we can see Makar Sankranti. Let's go to our holidays list and cross check. On 1st, we have got New Year. On 14th, we have got Makar Sankranti. And on 26th, we have got Republic Day. Let's go to our file. Let's come down. And on 26th, we have got our Republic Day. Means the formula is working perfectly. Let's see our next example. Unique. Over here we have got our employee names and most of the names are repeated. And I just want unique names. Means I just want all the names once. Let's create our prompt over here. And my prompt is all employee names are in column C. This is column C, starting from C5. The very first name is in C5. Many names are repeated more than once. I want list of all the employees' names just one time. I have to apply the formula in D5, means over here. Also, I want all the names in alphabetical order. Please provide Excel formula. So this is my prompt. I'll copy this, Control C or Command C. We'll go to ChatGPT and we'll paste my prompt over here, Control V or Command V. We'll come down and we'll click on up arrow key. Our response is getting generated and it has provided me unique with sort. Let's copy this. Over here we have got explanation and just under that steps. Let's go to Excel. We'll go to formula bar and we'll paste the formula, Control V or Command V, and we'll hit enter. And we got all the names in alphabetical order. The function or formula of unique is only in the latest version of Excel. Let's go to ChatGPT and give one more command. I want this formula for older versions of Excel. Now I'll click over here and ChatGPT has suggested us the formula. First one is if with countif and second is if error with small and match. So in case you have got older versions of Excel, you can ask ChatGPT to suggest the formula or function. Let's see our next example. Countif. Over here I have got my days and I want to count total Saturday, total Sunday, and over here total Saturday and Sunday. Let's create our prompt first. Days are in column C. This is column C, starting from C5. I want total Saturday in column D, over here in column D, starting from D5. I want total Sunday in column E. In column E, I want total Sunday starting from E5. I want total Saturday and Sunday together in column F, means over here, starting from F5. Please provide Excel formula. So this is my prompt. We'll copy my prompt, Control C or Command C. We'll go to ChatGPT and we'll paste our command, Control V or Command V. We'll click on up arrow key. We'll click on down arrow key over here and our formula is getting generated. Let's go up and ChatGPT has suggested us three formulas. One for Saturday, second for Sunday, and third for Saturday plus Sunday. One thing to notice over here, ChatGPT has provided Saturday means the full word, but in our format it's just SATSUN. So let's give ChatGPT another command. Our day format is in DDD format. We'll click over here. We'll click on down arrow key. Now we got our new formula. Over here we can see SAT and over here SUN. We'll copy this. We'll go to our Excel file. We'll go to formula bar and we'll paste our formula. Control V or Command V and we'll hit enter. We got for Saturday. Let's go to ChatGPT. We'll copy the second formula of Sunday. We'll go to Excel and we'll paste over here. Control V or Command V. Enter. So for Saturday and for Sunday. Let's go to ChatGPT once again. This time I'll copy my third formula. That is for Saturday and Sunday both. We'll go to Excel file. We'll go to formula bar and we'll paste my formula. Control V or Command V and we'll hit enter. And we got total 8, means for Saturday and for Sunday. Let's move to next example. Sum ifs. Over here I have got employee names and just after that we have got region. And just after region we have got our sales. But on the right hand side we want sales as per employee and region. Let's create our prompt first. So my prompt is, I have employee names in column B starting from B5, regions in column C starting from C5 and sales in column D starting from D5. I want total sales against each employee name and region. I want to apply formula in F6. This is F6. Employee name is in F5 and region is in G5. I want Excel formula. So this is my prompt. I'll copy this, Control C or Command C. We'll go to ChatGPT and we'll paste the prompt over here, Control V or Command V. We'll click on up arrow key and all the details are getting generated. Our formula got generated over here. Let's copy the formula. Explanation is over here and over here we can see the steps to apply. Enter the formula in F6, drag down the formula, adjust the range. Let's go to Excel file. We'll go to formula bar and we'll paste our formula, Control V or Command V and we'll hit enter. And we got the perfect figure. If I change the name from here, Albert, we got 0 as sales. If I change the region from here, East, we got the sales. West, we got the sales. Means the formula provided by ChatGPT is working perfectly. Let's see our next and last example. Filter. Over here I have got my employee names and just after employee names I have got the department. I have got total 5 departments of sales, marketing, training, operations and HR. And all the departments are mixed over here. And I have to divide all the names in these departments. Let's create our prompt first. So this is my prompt. Employee names are in column B, starting from B3. There are total 5 departments and all are in the column C, starting from C3. I want to put all the employee names against departments. I have kept all the heads in columns E2, F2, G2, H2 and I2. Give me formula. So I'll copy my prompt from here, Control C or Command C. We'll go to ChatGPT and we'll paste my prompt over here, Control V or Command V. We'll click on up arrow key. So we got the formula. It has provided us the formula or function of filter. Let's copy this. Let's go to Excel. I'll click just under sales. We'll go to formula bar and we'll paste my formula, Control V or Command V. Now I'll hit enter and I got name of all the salesperson. Let's drag our formula and within seconds our data is ready. But the function of filter is not available in older versions. So we will have to ask ChatGPT to provide function or formula for older versions. Let's go to ChatGPT. But before that, let's delete this. Let's go to ChatGPT now. Please provide formula for older versions. I'll click on up arrow key. For older versions of Excel, Excel 19, 16, 13 and 10 where filter function is not available, you need to use RA formula to list employees under each department. I'll copy the formula. Over here we have got one more instruction. Enter this formula in E3 and press Ctrl Shift Enter instead of just enter. So we will have to remember this to press Ctrl Shift Enter all together. Let's go to Excel. We'll paste our formula. We'll go to formula bar and we'll paste it. Control V. Now we have to press Shift Control Enter. Perfect. I'll drag this down and we'll drag this to right. And all done. So earlier it was with filter and now it's without filter. And in both the cases we got the same result. So these were the few examples of AI in Excel. I'll provide the link of file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.